Most actors dream of global fame, but very few actually achieve it. Today, we tell the incredible story of a man who transformed from an Istanbul liar into one of the biggest international stars. We are talking about the charismatic Can Yaman. From ruling Turkish television to winning hearts across Europe, his journey is full of unexpected turns, massive hit dramas, and undeniable passion. Let's dive into his story. Full name Can Yaman. I'm very sure that one question is popping in your mind that it's Can, not Can. Let me make it very clear. In Turkish language, it will be pronounced as Can. By the way, Can is also a word of Urdu language which is spoken in subcontinent. When I say Can, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. In English, it will be translated as Darling, I love you so much. Well, we need to move on. Date of birth November 8, 1989. Age 36 year as of 2026. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Height 6 feet 1 inch. Education Yeditepe University Law degree. Profession actor, model and liar. Languages Turkish, Italian, English and German. Before the bright lights of cinema, Can Yaman was living a completely different life. He was an outstanding student who graduated with top honors from an Italian high school in Istanbul. He then earned a law degree from Yeditepe University and even started working at a top corporate law firm. But sitting at a desk was not his passion. During a summer vacation, his friends encouraged him to try acting, and that decision changed his life forever. Can made his acting debut in 2014, but his path to stardom truly accelerated with romantic comedies. In 2017, he started in Dolunay alongside the popular actress Özge Görel. Their on-screen chemistry as a sharp businessman and a talented chief captured audiences instantly. The show became an international success, proving that Can was destined to be a romantic lead actor. Later they reunited in the hit 2020 drama Bay Yanlış, further solidifying their fantastic co-star partnership. In 2018, Can Yaman reached the absolute peak of his career with the iconic series Arkanchi Kosh, playing the wild, adventurous photographer Can David. He went through a massive physical transformation. His electric chemistry with co-star Demet Özdemir set television screen on fire worldwide. The duo became a global phenomenon, winning multiple international awards and gaining millions of devoted fans across Latin America, Europe, and Asia. Can did not stop in Turkey. Being fluent in Italian, he moved to Italy to expand his acting horizon. He started in major Italian television productions like Viola come il mare alongside Francesca Calimi and took on historical action roles like Sandokan. Today he is recognized as a global celebrity who smoothly transitions between Turkish and international cinema. Some fascinating facts. multilingual talent. Jan speaks 4 languages fluently, including Italian and German, which helped him build a huge international career. Fitness icon. Known for his tall frame and muscular physique, he practices boxing, CrossFit, and martial arts to stay in top condition. Charity work. He created a non-profit foundation named Gian Gemen for Children in Italy to help hospitalized children. Gian Gemen's transition from a courtroom lad to a world-renowned actor is a story of courage and relentless hard work. His magic with co-stars like Demet Özdemir and Özge Görel created unforgettable television moments. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of his dramas is your absolute favorite? Orgonchikash or Dolonai? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more celebrity stories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next story.